If you still find it difficult to get ideas for your content, okay, I mean video ideas on what to create, topics to talk about, trending topics to talk about, then you have to sit right back and watch this very video to the end, okay? Before I finally get started on YouTube, one of the things that delayed me so much is the fact that I don't even know where to get my video ideas from. I don't even know where to get topics that have potentials to go viral from, okay? And most times I end up watching different videos from different creators on how to navigate all of these things. But as it is right now, I finally accepted that when you get into something with time, you start knowing so many things and you start doing better and better as the day goes by. Okay, so if you are someone like me who finds it difficult to get topic or video ideas for your video, watch this very video to the end. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to download YouTube Studio from either App Store or Google Play Store. That is if you do not have it downloaded on your phone, okay? But if you do that, just open it, okay? Once you open it, your profile will show. Now go to click on analytics, okay? When you click on analytics, allow it to load, then come to this place that says trend, okay? Click on trend, okay? Now if you click on trend, one thing you should know that this is every information or everything you'll be seeing here in your own YouTube Studio is according to your own channel, okay? And this is according to my own channel. Now in my own channel, my top search is how to make your own YouTube channel, okay? Now the second one is zero investment to earn money online, all right? And the third one is laziest way to make money online, right? So what this thing simply means that if I create video around this, people or my subscribers are interested in videos like this, okay? This is the trend for my own channel, right? This is what YouTube is showing me, that if I create video around this, it has the potentials to go viral because my subscribers are interested in things like this. All right, now when I click on this arrow here to show me all the top search for my own channel, you can go ahead and do that to see all the top searches, okay? Now this is what YouTube will show me. Okay, like I said earlier, the first one is how to make your own YouTube channel, then the second one to the last one. Now for somebody who needs a video, or yes, for someone who needs video idea, or for someone who doesn't know how to get video ideas, especially topics that has the potentials to go viral, especially videos that have the potential to go viral, okay? What you will do is to follow these steps, and when you get to this place, you see all the recommended topics and titles YouTube already make available for you. And now the sweetest part of all of these things is that they are what people are searching for, okay? Not just your subscribers, but people on YouTube, okay? This is like the most searched topics on YouTube right now, okay? So one thing I always advise is once you get to this point, what you do is get the topic, I mean, edit it to some point, I mean, change it to some point, but make sure it is also the same thing, all right? But different words. Then go ahead and create your own video around this topic, all right? Create your own video around this topic and post it on your channel. Now, when people come searching for topics related to this, your video will always pop up. And while uploading it, make sure you also use keywords that are related to this, okay? So that no matter the title or keywords people on YouTube search, your video will have the potentials to go viral, or your videos will have the potentials to be seen, okay? So this is the easiest way I have always gotten my video ideas for YouTube. Okay, this is one of the easiest way, and that is why I decided to bring it to you right now. Okay, now when you scroll up, you see recent videos. All right, you see recent trending videos. Another thing you still need to do is to look at the titles, probably go ahead and watch the videos, see what the creator talked about. I mean, listen to what the creator talked about, look at the video thumbnail. I mean, look at everything about the video, analyze the video, and then go ahead and create something similar to that. Okay, as you can see, this video is not a YouTube short. This first one that says to build anything that truly lasts, it takes time. It is not a YouTube short. Okay, this cannot be recorded as a YouTube short because it is more than 60 seconds. So if you see now, you see that this video already made 6.3 million views in the last 6 days. All right, so as somebody who is supposed to be following trend, who is supposed to jump on trend on YouTube, all you need to do is watch this video, see the way the creator created it, listen to the keywords, I mean the words the creator the things the creator said, and the thumbnail also. Then go ahead and recreate something like that. Okay, and post it on your channel. Recreate including both the thumbnails and post it on your channels. Okay, now this one said he built a $1 million business in 12 months, every step explained. This might be a little bit difficult for you as a new YouTuber, but if you watch the video and you see that okay, it is something you can relate to, okay, you can as well go ahead, create a video around it, give it your own title, and make a good thumbnail that is related to this particular thumbnail and post it. And as you can see, this particular video already made over 200,000 views in the past 3 weeks. Okay, so the same thing I just explained is applicable to every other thing. Then at the end of it all, make sure you don't always joke with this top search. Okay, because it is like it is for your own channel. This is particularly for your own channel. So for every video you want to make, for every time you want to set up your camera to come sit and make video, always make sure you come to this place, look at all the titles, or rather topics, video ideas that is here, look for the one to recreate, then recreate your videos around it and post it on YouTube. Okay, so because it is because it is trending, your own video will also have the potentials to go viral. Okay, so if you're just coming across the channel for the first time, do well to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, so that whenever I drop amazing video like this one, you'll be the first to get notified.